Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss some other very important topics related to your first term syllabus. Now in today's class we take and solve a very important, discuss a very important chapter of the syllabus, which is triangle. Okay, dear students, uh, you know that we already discussed so many times all the property of triangle. He means we discuss about the angle sum property of the triangle. You know if any triangle ABC are there, then the sum of all interior angle, the sum of all interior angle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of the triangle. He means the sum of all interior angle of a triangle. And also if one side of a triangle is produced, okay, 2D, if one side of a triangle is produced 2D, then this exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. Is equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angle. Means that angle, this is a very important property related to triangle. That angle ACD is equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angle, means angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. Okay. Now dear friends, we are going to take and solve some important questions related to the chapter triangle. Let's see. Now look, and we take a very important questions related to that topic. If ABC are three angles, question is AB and C are three angles. Okay, AB and C are three angles of a triangle. If A minus B is equal to 15 degree, B minus C is equal to 30 degree, find angle A, B and C. Find angle A, angle B and angle C. Find angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, here A, B, C are three angles of a triangle. If angle A minus B is equal to 15 degree, B minus C is equal to 30 degree, 30, and find angle A, B and angle C. Now let's see its solution. So dear friends, we have first of all A minus B is equal to 15 degree. So from there first, and B minus C is equal to 30 degree. This is the two very important relation is given in our questions. Now look, since we know that since we know that the sum of all angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, the sum of all three angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Now from there, now we can write, we express A in terms of B in this way, 15 plus angle B, we can write in this way. And now here from there angle C we can write B minus 30. Okay, so in this way from the given expressions, from the given value, we express angle A in terms of angle B, and angle C, we express angle C in terms of angle B. Now look, you put angle A as what? 15 plus angle B. Angle B write as it is. We can write angle C as what? B minus 30 is equal to 180, write as it is. So this is the linear equation in terms of B. So we from there we just we find the value of B. Just we find the value of B is very easy way. So look, from there this is 15 plus B, that is 3B minus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So from there this is 3B minus 15 is equal to 180. So this is 3B is equal to 180 minus plus 15 is there. So this is 3B is equal to 180 plus 15, that is 5, 9, 1. So from there the value of angle B is what? 195 upon 3. So 3 6 is 18, 3 5 is 15. So angle B is what? Equal to 65 degree. Angle B is equal to 65. This is the first answer, angle A, angle B. Now from there angle A is what? Now angle A is equal to what? This is 15 plus angle B, na? 15 plus angle B. So here 15 plus, if you put the value of angle B is 65. So from there angle A is what? 80. This is second one. And angle C. Angle C is what? B minus 30. Angle C is equal to B is what? 65 minus 30 degree. So angle C 65, this is 5, 3, this is 35. Okay, so value of angle C is what? 35. So this is, so in this way, dear friend, we find the all three angles of a triangle by using the concept of angle sum property of the triangle. This is one of the most important property, dear students, of your syllabus. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these stories. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay, let's see, dear students. We take some other important questions. Now, we take a very important question. Now look, this is a very important question, okay, of your syllabus. Look, if the bisectors of is the bisectors of angle B and angle C of a triangle ABC of a triangle ABC, okay, meet at a point 2, meet at a point 2, meet at a point O, then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A by 2, half of angle A by 2, okay. Dear friends, this is a very important questions of your syllabus triangle. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now let's see its solution. Now look, first of all, we draw a triangle. Look, like that. We draw a triangle. This is A, B, C. This is the three angles of a triangle A, B, C. And the bisector of angle B and C meet at point O. Okay, this is the bisector of angle B and C, and we have to show that angle BOC, okay, is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A by 2, half of angle A by 2. Now look, so this is angle A, and we take angle OBC as what, angle 1, and we take OCB as what, angle 2. We take as, generally we take as, okay. Now since first of all we write given, in given what I write here, from OB and OC is the bisectors of angle B and angle C, that is angle 1 is equal to half of angle B by 2 and angle 2 is equal to half of angle C by 2, and half angle 2 is equal to half of angle C by 2. Okay. Now to prove, we have to show that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A by 2. Okay. Angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus angle A by 2, 90 degree plus angle A by 2. Okay. Now we have to prove it. Now prove. First, dear friends, we take triangle BOC and we apply the angle sum property to the triangle. Now in triangle BOC we get the sum of all three interior angles of a triangle, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equal to what? 180 degree is equal to what? 180 degree. Now from there we put as angle 1 as angle B by 2, angle 2 we put as angle C by 2, and plus angle BOC is right as it is and is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now We just transfer angle B by 2 plus angle C by 2 that side. So we get angle BOC is equal to 180 minus half of angle B by 2 plus half of angle C by 2. Now from there we can also write 180, we take minus 1 by 2 as common, so we get angle B plus angle C. We take equation number 1. Okay, so we just write angle BOC is equal to 180 minus half of angle B plus angle C. Okay, dear students. Now, but dear friend, we have to show that the value of angle BOC, we have to show that the value of angle BOC in terms of we have to show that the value of angle BOC in terms of angle A. So just we again, dear student, we again apply the angle sum property of the triangle. Now again, using the property in triangle ABC, means angle sum of all angle of a triangle is what? So the value of angle B plus angle C, 180 minus angle A. Take equation number 2. In this way, dear friends, we find the value of angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A. Okay, now we put the value of angle B plus C in equation 1. 1 means we just using equation 1 and 2. Look, thus using equation 1 and 2, we get, using equation 1 and 2 we get, means we just put the value of this in equation first. Angle BOC is equal to 180 minus half of angle B plus angle C, means 180 minus angle A. This is 180 minus angle A. So from there, BOC is equal to 180 minus 180 upon 2 minus 1 plus half of angle A. Now look, 2 9 is 80, 0. So that is angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. 90 degree plus half of angle A by 2. Hence prove that result. Okay. So dear friend, this is the method. So this is the method, dear friend, to solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. These are the very important and conceptual question of your syllabus. Okay, now we take, dear students, we take and solve some important question based on these topics. Okay, let's see. In the given figure, is in the given figure find the required angle. Find the required angles. In the given figure find the required angles, and your figure is, look, this is triangle PQR. This is triangle PQR, and the bisector of Q and R meet at point T. The bisector of here, this is the triangle PQR is there, and the bisector of angle Q and R meet at point T. Okay, and this is 30 degrees, and this is what? This is 80 degree. Okay, find angle QTR. Here find angle QTR, that angle. Okay, and angle PQR. We find that angles. Okay. Now look, let's see its solution. Just we just right now we prove a very important theorem, very important result related to that topic. If the triangle ABC or PQR is there, and the bisector of the base angles which meet at any point any interior point on the of the triangle, then the angle QTR is equal to 90 degree plus half of the vertex angle. Okay, so since we know that angle QTR is same as 90 degree plus half of angle P by 2, that is angle QTR is equal to 90 degree plus angle P is what? 80 by 2. So this is 90 degree plus 40. So this is 130 degree. Okay, means the value of angle QTR is equal to 130 degree. Now look. Yes, right. Now we again apply the angle sum property in the triangle QTR. Look, first of all, dear friends, PRQ is same as angle 30 because this is the bisector, so this is 30, so this is also equal to 30 degree. From figure angle PQR plus 130 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 because of we apply the angle sum property of the triangle QTR. Okay, in triangle A, this is in triangle QTR. Okay, now this is angle PQR, right, as it is, plus this is what, 160. Okay, 160 is equal to 180 degree. Now from there, this is angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 160 degree, that is equal to 20 degree. This is the required. So in this way, the value of angle QTR is 130 and the value of angle PQR, this is 20. So in this way, dear friends, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic triangle and its property. So yes, in that class we take and solve some important question related to that topic. Now in next class, dear friends, we take and solve some other important questions based on the chapter related to your first term syllabus. Okay. So first you revise all the questions and do more and more practices of that type of question. Okay, dear students. Now thanks to all.